Today we have my beautiful model, Harriet. Harriet is starting to feel like her hair is a little bit brassy and dull. So today we're going to use the Bblonde Brighten and Repair Blonde Toner to help remove some of that brassy dull tone and make it feel fresh and bright again. Now we have Harriet back in the chair. She has been shampooed and towel dried using a clarifying shampoo just to help remove any unwanted product buildup in the hair, as this can result in an uneven tone. So now we are ready for the application. We've pre-mixed our colorant and activator, and we have given it a really good shake to make sure all that product is completely mixed together. And then we're going to start in our center section through the root area, and we're just going to gently squeeze and rub that into the roots. We're then going to take our section and we're going to start to zigzag it all the way down the hair, making sure that is completely saturated. We can then just gently lift it over and we can work into the next section. So now the processing time is complete, it's time to rinse the hair. We're going to rinse the hair until all the residue has been removed. We are then going to use our J-Plex Bond Building Maintenance Mask just to help give the hair a really good deep condition and just restore and protect the hair. Wow, look what we've been able to achieve. We've been able to remove all that unwanted brassy tone and create this beautiful creamy vanilla blonde using the Bblonde Brighten and Repair Blonde Toner. You can just see how much shine and how much healthier this is looking, and all that brassiness has been removed, giving us a really beautiful, deep, creamy vanilla blonde.